Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering the right tools. A Phillips head screwdriver, a 10 mm socket with a 3/8" ratchet, and a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratching. Wear safety glasses and gloves. Work on a flat surface so the door stays stable. Before touching the panel, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental shorting of power windows or airbags. Keep removed screws and clips in a small tray or labeled bag so reassembly is quick. Verify window is up and door is unlocked before you begin by removing visible screws, 2 at the armrest and 1 behind the inner door handle using a Phillips head screwdriver. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry off the inner handle bezel and speaker cover. Hidden screws may be under those pieces. Once screws are out, start at the bottom edge and pull the panel outward with firm, even pressure to pop the plastic clips free. Work up toward the top. If a clip resists, use the trim tool to lever it slowly. Force can break the clip or the panel. After the clips release, tilt the door panel upward to free the top edge from the window ledge. This angle is crucial for removal. Reach behind and disconnect electrical connectors for the power window and lock switches by pressing the release tabs. Set the panel down and feed connectors through the opening. If your Accord has a courtesy light, unplug its connector too. Before fully removing the panel, double-check for any remaining screws or hidden clips along the perimeter. Missing one can bend the panel or break tabs during removal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.